Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to turn YouTube into dark mode. And of course the method is within the YouTube settings, so there is no need to use any external application. So let's get started. After getting the application, and as a first step, move to your personal profile by tap on this icon. Then tap on Settings. A list of options will appear, so choose General Settings. Then choose the third option, or Appearance. And to make YouTube dark mode, simply choose Dark Theme. And once you tap on Dark Theme, the YouTube app will all become dark. And this is it. This is how to turn YouTube into dark mode. Thanks for watching. See ya!